Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Prakash. I'm a proud father of Mr. Arush Prakash, who is a student of class UKG in Gyan Bharati World School. Today I am going to share my thoughts among you. All of you are aware of the fact that India is a democratic country, and some of the important components of democracy are uh, right to vote, right to speech, and education, healthcare system, equality, etc. Basically, I am today here to discuss about education because education plays a vital role uh, in the making the nation, building the nation, and future of the child also. So I am basically talking about the education system today. A much ha- a much thing has changed in the world globally, and today I am going to talk particularly about the education. In the normal days, we were having the regular classes, but in this lockdown condition, the the teaching system has been enhanced and being more versatile and created into a virtual room, and kids are getting the online education. Although we are much aware of the fact that the regular versus online education, there are some limitation, but it's better to have something than to have nothing, because if a syllabus or if a year gets hampered of the kid, then the whole year get disturbed, and child's class and and the year also are being backed. So I am thankful to the team of the Gyan Bharati school that they are continuously providing the online study materials. Their teachers are continuously interacting with the teachers via virtual mediums, teaching them online, providing them the study materials, giving them the homeworks, and also arranging for some competition like craft activities, like speech speech learning. So it's good to have something than better not to have anything. So online education is playing a much important role, and I am thankful to the team of the Gyan Bharati World School who are continuously putting their efforts to teach